Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be on our hoverboard.
You gotta speak louder.
Today we're going to be on our hoverboard outside.
Okay, so today we're gonna be on our hoverboards. So we're gonna teach you guys how to ride a hoverboard because
we're beginners.
yeah. So how to ride hoverboards for beginners. So you can get into that. Well, Chloe actually knows what she's doing. I'm gonna actually get on mine, and then we're gonna see if mine actually works out here. Oh God.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, so we're gonna see if this actually works outside. So we're gonna do this. Well, let me get in front of you.
Oscar,
Can we go the other way?
Oscar, do not be pooping on people's.
Hey, not close. Just keep going. Turn like it's. Okay, you ready? So just come towards me. Come towards me. Come towards me, baby. Okay, ready? Oh, what are they looking at? Okay, stop. His leg's going off. His leg's going off. We have to get back aside or something.
No, you need to tighten up his leash. His collar.
No, we can't tighten it up. Okay, we're gonna take him back inside.
Take him?
Yeah.
Oscar, stop!
So we're gonna take the dog back inside because he is not wanting to cooperate with us.
His leash
So
is
we're gonna go ahead and go back inside.
And he's shivering. So.
Well, we're not gonna go inside, but I'm gonna take him back inside. So Chloe, you can stay out here with the camera. Don't drop it.
Okay. Hi guys. So, I'm scared because I'm gonna be by myself and nobody's out here, no grown-ups, nobody. He's running. I want my mom to come out here with us, but she's in her freaking bed. Nobody's out here to watch me. My brother is going completely inside. His room is, go. His room is right there, y'all. And he's going all the way over there, but I'm by myself. I have nobody to call. Well, I could call my mom, but she's in her chair. And if a car snatches me up, and if I get ran over, I don't know. I'm scared because there's nobody around, and a lot been happening in this world and stuff. So it is freezing out here. So hopefully I'm safe out here. Guys, hey, here's something. He's coming back. I didn't drop it. So yeah, he's here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so moving on to how to ride a hoverboard. Okay, so all right. So first, what you want to do is have your hoverboard directly right there. Now, Chloe, she is a beginner, but she does know how to ride her hoverboard. So
a beginner.
well, she's kind of a beginner, but not really. So we're gonna go ahead, Chloe, swap off the hoverboard. Chloe, swap off the hoverboard. Bring it right here. Put it down. Okay, so what you want to do is have your hoverboard like this, face down, flat on the ground, on a flat surface, so you can get on the hoverboard with what's actually stepping on it. Now, I think all the hoverboards are designed the same once you try to ride them. So what you first want to do is put your right foot, because the green will show there, or whatever color is there, but it's usually always the right foot where you press down on.
Guys, this is like not
But you
working.
have to do it quickly.
Like that.
Like that.
Don't go slow. Don't go super fast. Guys, this is nerve-wracking. Because there's a dip and then another dip. So guys, I'm gonna take mine over there because I can't cross these humps. Jackson, why are you barking?
Okay.
No reason. So just get off, pick it up, walk, drop, gloves in. Guys, this thing is going by itself. It does that. Guys, and it's, I don't know how I'm gonna get over this. Don't do that. Don't do what I just did.
Just leave it down, okay?
Okay, guys. Hey. Dude, what are you doing? Getting on yours?
Yeah, I'm bringing it over there. Make sure you guys actually look both ways before crossing the street, because if you aren't going to get hit by a car.
Okay, guys. Remember, step, quit. Don't do that. And be careful when you're outside, because I never been right here before, and there's like a hill right there, so if I fall, I fall. And Jaden has no way to see me.
So what you generally want to do is, once you're on the hoverboard, is use your ankles. The mentality is always in your ankles once you try to do the hoverboard. Many people try to just hop on the hoverboard thinking they can just lean forward
Yeah,
and then gonna go. But no, you always fall when that happens. And it's generally all in the ankles, so once you do it, cool, let me get in the front. Back up.
Get in the front.
Shut that mouth. See, me trying to rush because of you, I'm getting falling.
Get in the front.
Okay.
This backwards. Turn around.
Okay, ready?
It's all in the ankles. All in the ankles. Be careful over things like that because our sidewalks are not proper.
Hold on, let me go back. Why are you coming up so far?
Don't. So, do not try this at home. I'm joking. Jaden, I don't know. Jaden.
What? Okay, hold on. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm gonna go back now.
Do you want to?
My hands are white.
Same. Guys, I'm going to demonstrate.
Hold on. Okay. Careful, there's a bump up here.